What's up guys? It's me King 22. Welcome back sa ating munting channel. Ito yung bagong open pipe natin guys. As usual, second hand pero okay naman, urig. Mula sa ating kaibigan, shoutout sa'yo pare. Hindi ko lang alam yung pangalan mo eh. Kaya kung makakapanood ka, sinashoutout kita. Ayan. Like na rin yung videos natin, subscribe and enjoy. Ito yung exhaust nya. So ang gagawin ko ngayon guys is start natin to kung anong tunog nito. Laki guys. So, subukan natin. Ayun guys, yung tunog ng ating high speed open pipe. Grabe. Sobrang laki. So please subscribe my channel guys, me King 22. Like and share. Ride safe. See you on the road.